262 for 2 and 18.4.
Hi guys, Sam here. Just doing a little roundup on tonight's amazing game.
6 ball.
I think 42 sixes in the game, a huge record, absolutely unreal.
Go, Johnny, go!
Amazing to be a part of, not very nice to bowl on, but fantastic effort from the team to, I guess, get over the line. Johnny's innings was absolutely incredible. 100 in an IPL game in a chase, not out. Really pleased for him, so that was absolutely really pleased. Shashank in the chase was absolutely incredible, showed what a class player he is. Rahul Chahar bowled fantastically well, one of my pick-up bowlers coming into the side.
And KKR lose their first wicket.
After 4 losses for the team, fantastically proud of the group to get the win. And now we have a couple of days off and then we go again. So the team will take a huge amount of confidence, and what an amazing ground this is. Not very nice for the bowling, but fantastic batting paradise. So we're really pleased with the 2 points and hopefully another win on our next match.